Welcome to the heart of Puma's shoe production. Don't forget to subscribe to follow our journey of craftsmanship and innovation.
Bay 3 is clear. Move it out. Copy that. Moving now.
Keep the flow steady on the curve there. Make sure it's even.
These new models are selling fast.
Yeah, keep them moving. We need to hit the target today.
I love this new collection.
Yeah. Seriously, the colors are great. Are we meeting everyone at the plaza?
Ensure the adhesive is dry before placing the grip.
This one feels loose.
Reject that sole. We need 0 defects.
The lamination pressure is holding steady.
Good. We are maintaining the optimal rate.
Make sure the logo is centered. Got it. Are these going to the UK?
These feel great, man. Really comfortable. They look sharp on you too. That red really pops.
Did you put the warranty card in that one?
Yes, and the extra laces too. Keep the line going.
Today we're styling these vintage red Pumas. The texture on the suede is incredible, and they really pop against the denim.
It's a beautiful day for a run. Let's hear it for our thousands of runners crossing the Puma starting line.
The flexibility index is exceeding expectations.
Yeah. How does it compare to the baseline material?
We're seeing a 20% improvement in tensile strength.
I really like the gradient on the sole.
We could enhance the stitching detail here. Let's try to integrate the logo right there.
We are proud to highlight the significant strides made in reducing our carbon footprint, showcasing our commitment to a more sustainable future.
This new protocol significantly reduces risk, making the assembly line safer for the entire team.
This weather is perfect, man. Couldn't ask for a better evening run. We should do this route again tomorrow. Hooray! Safe travels! See you next time!
Look at these!
They're Pumas! Wow, those are fast!
I love mine. Thank you so much.
Puma. Puma. SO. Crafted for champions.